Happy morning, my dear students. A warm welcome from Sheba Group of School online class. Students, today is our English 1 revision. Let us move on to our class now. Students, you have to write the revision in your revision note. Take a fresh new page and start writing. Write with your blue color stick pen only. Write neatly at the same time. Let us start our revision now. First, write the heading English 1 revision. Then, first Roman letter, find the answer. A. Synonyms. Synonyms means you all know meanings. First one, shine, bright. The meaning of shine is bright. B-R-I-G-H-T, bright. பிரகாசமாக இருக்கிறது. Number 2, soft, smooth. The meaning of soft is smooth. S-M-O-O-T-H, smooth. மென்மையானது. Number 3, mystery, kept secret. The meaning of mystery is kept secret. K-E-P-T, kept secret. S-E-E-C-R-E-T, secret. ரகசியமாக வைக்கப்பட்டுள்ளது. Number 4, furious. The meaning of furious is intensely angry. Intensely angry. I-N-T-E-N-S-E-L-Y, intensely angry. A-N-G-R-Y, angry. அதிக கோபம். Let me once again revise it. Shine, bright. Soft, smooth. Mystery, kept secret. Furious, intensely angry. Next, B, antonyms. Antonyms means opposites. Number 1, excited. The opposite of excited is unexcited. Excited na உற்சாகமா இருக்கிறது. Unexcited na உற்சாகம் இல்லாத இருக்கிறது. Excited, unexcited. Number 2, here, there. Here, there. Here na என்னதுமா? இங்கே, there na அங்கே. Here, there. Number 3, courage, covered. The opposite of courage is covered. Courage na தைரியம், covered na கோழை. Number 4, famous, unknown. The opposite of famous is unknown. Famous na பிரபலமா இருக்கிறது. Unknown na பிரபலம் இல்லாத இருக்கிறது. Let me once again revise it. Excited, unexcited, here, there, courage, covered, famous, unknown. Students, next C, past tense. Number 1, say, said. The past tense of say is said. S-A-I-D, said. Number 2, crack, cracked. The past tense of crack is cracked. C-R-A-C-K-E-D, cracked. Number 3, throw, threw. The past tense of throw is threw. T-H-R-E-W, threw. Number 4, get, got. The past tense of get is got. G-O-T, got. Say, said, crack, cracked, throw, threw, get, got. Second Roman letter. Write the correct clip words on the line. Write the correct clip words on the line. You are going to write the correct clip words on the line. Okay, Mama? Number 1. She acted in the dash advertisement first time. She acted in the ad first time. See, ad is the correct clip word here. AD, ad. She acted in the ad first time. Number 2, I saw him in the dash laboratory. I saw him in the lab. L-A-B, lab. L-A-B, lab. I saw him in the lab. Third one, I have dash examination next week. The correct clip word is exam. E-X-A-M, exam. E-X-A-M, exam. I have exam next week. Fourth one, she bought a new dash. Inside the bracket, refrigerator. The correct word is fridge. F-R-I-D-G-E, fridge. She bought a new fridge. Third Roman letter, match the rhyming words. Match the rhyming words. Number 1, flow, blow. Flow, blow. B-L-O-W, blow. Number 2, seek, week. Seek, week. W-E-E-K, week. Number 3, grow, no. Grow, no. K-N-O-W, no. Let me once again revise it. Flow, blow, seek, week, grow, no. Next, fourth Roman letter, memory, poem. Heading of the poem is why questions. Why questions. கேள்விகள் ஏன். Now I am going to read out the poem. Why is the sky blue? Why is the earth round? Why is silk soft? Why is fire hot? Think, why is it so? Why does the river flow? Why is the sky blue? வானமே நீல நிறமா இருக்கு. Why is the earth round? நம்ம பூமியே ரவுண்டா இருக்கு. Why is silk soft? பட்டு ஏன் மென்மையா இருக்கு. Why is fire hot? தீயே சூடா இருக்கு. Think, why is it so? யோசனை பண்ணி இது ஏன் இப்படி இருக்குன்னு. Why does the river flow? நதியே பாயுது. Let me once again read out the poem. Why is the sky blue? Why is the earth round? Why is silk soft? Why is fire hot? Think, why is it so? Why does the river flow? Fifth Roman letter, filling the blanks. You are going to fill in the blanks. Options are given here. You have to choose the correct answer and write in the fill in the blanks. Number 1. Kani took Teddy out for a dash. The options here are walk, school. The correct answer is walk. W-A-L-K, walk. Kani took Teddy out for a walk. Number 2. Teddy took his pillow has a sign of dash them. The options here are welcoming, scolding. The correct answer is welcoming. W-E-L-C-O-M-I-N-G, welcoming. Teddy took his pillow has a sign of welcoming them. Number 3. Muthu collected dash from every house. The options are clothes, garbage. The correct answer is garbage. G-A-R-B-A-G-E, garbage. Muthu collected garbage from every house. Sixth Roman letter, answer the following. Answer the following. First one, who were the guests to Kani's home? Question mark. Who were the guests to Kani's home? Kani வீட்டுக்கு யாரு வந்தாங்க, விருந்தாளியா வந்தாங்க. Answer. 2 finger space gap. Rani auntie and 2-year-old son Anbu were the guests to Kani's home. Full stop. Rani auntie and 2-year-old son Anbu were the guests to Kani's home. Rani auntie-யும் அவங்களோட சன் 2 years old son அன்புவும் தான் கனி வீட்டுக்கு வந்த விருந்தாளிங்க. Number 2. When does the world become green? When does the world become green? Question mark. எப்போ நம்ம உலகம் பசுமையா மாறும்? Answer. 2 finger space gap. The world becomes green when we keep our surroundings clean. Full stop. The world becomes green when we keep our surroundings clean. நம்ம உலகம் எப்பவும் பசுமையா மாறும்னா நம்ம சுற்றுப்புற சூழலை சுத்தமா வச்சிருந்தாதான் நம்ம உலகம் பசுமையா மாறும். Third one, who is in charge of this case? Who is in charge of this case? Question mark. இந்த கேஸ்க்கு யாரு பொறுப்பு? Answer. Two finger space gap. Inspector Velayudham was in charge of this case. Full stop. Inspector Velayudham was in charge of this case. Inspector Velayudham இந்த கேஸ்க்கு பொறுப்பு. Fourth one. Where did Kani see the old cracked cup? Question mark. Where did Kani see the old cracked cup? Kani அந்த வீரில் விழுந்த கப்பை எங்க பார்த்தா? Answer. Two finger space gap. Kani saw the old cracked cup near the kitchen sink. Full stop. Kani saw the old cracked cup near the kitchen sink. கனி அந்த பழைய வீரல் விழுந்த கப்பை கிச்சன் சிங்க் பக்கத்தில் பார்த்தா. Fifth one. What did the five friends call themselves? Question mark. What did the five friends call themselves? Five friends அவங்கள எப்படி கூப்பிட்டுட்டாங்க? Answer. Two finger space gap. The five friends called themselves as the five detectives or 5D. Full stop. The five friends called themselves as the five detectives or 5D. Five friends அவங்கள 5 detectives கூப்பிட்டுட்டாங்க இல்லைனா 5D கூப்பிட்டுட்டாங்க. ஓகேவாம்மா? have to write the revision with a neat handwriting. Do your revision properly. Okay students? After finishing the revision, write the parent sign and you have to get the sign from your parents. Students, this is the third term revision. So do your revisions properly. While writing the revision, spell the word and write neatly. Meet you all in the next class. Thank you, ma'am.